Hey my people, what's good, what's poppin'? So today this is kind of a vlog. Why do I always say this is kind of a vlog? This is a vlog. Today is the 25th of April and outside, I'm in London, outside we have been open for about a week now, and guess what, my girls and I decided to go out because life is for the living. It's been so long, so this is like a get ready with me / girls night out. I'll fast forward the get ready with me a little bit because I don't think you guys really want to see that, but if you do, leave a comment down below so I can do a proper makeup tutorial. My makeup is quite simple. I'm doing my makeup now because I have a video to shoot, so I'm doing that. So I'm killing one stone. I'm killing, is it one bird with one stone? Two birds. I'm killing two birds with one stone. Don't mind me. So I'm just putting powder on my eyebrows, and that's it. I don't have much and I just make it work. What I'm using for my brows is Revolution Precise Brow Pencil. Today I'm using medium brown. Usually I use the dark brown to outline the brows, and then I use the medium brown to fill it in, but I don't have that. So I'm just going to use the medium brown, and maybe I'll use something else that I have. Who knows? So let's get the brows rolling. So I get them to look like cousins, not even sisters, cousins, and I'm good to go. Nowadays, once my brow is okay, I really don't mind much. Okay guys, so guys, what I'm doing, I'm cleaning my brows, and I will leave it here because if not, I'm gonna really run late for my video. I want the sun to hit me right. So I will leave you here and catch up with you when I'm leaving home. So let's reconnect when I'm leaving home. The brows, this one is really not on trend. This is nice. This is not nice. I will have to shape this again when I'm leaving tonight. This is not right. So let's reconnect when I'm all ready and glammed up for this evening. Mwah! I'll see you later on, guys. Hey people, what's good, what's poppin'? So like I said earlier on, we are stepping out tonight. We are going out. And this is what I'm rocking. Ooh, don't you just love this? I believe I showed you this Christmas time in my Christmas haul. This was a Zara purchase, and this is lovely. I decided to go for a wig because it's quite cold and we're going up the terrace, so it's gonna be a little bit chilly, so that's why I decided to go for a wig. But I'm feeling this. I'm done. I'm waiting for the girls to come so that we can go and have some fun tonight.
Girls to come where?
Sorry?
The girls to come where?
That's my son, the background. The girls are coming here. I'm done. I'm waiting for them. So just a full outfit. Nothing special. Just a black number. Like I said, I do like black. I like black. Oh, so I will see you later when the girls are here, and I'm going to vlog for you. So stay tuned.
Nancy, those going to go.
Yes, guys, when you're moving with Africans, it's not easy. I refuse to be late tonight. I refuse to be late. The girls are not here. I'm going. Like, I'm not waiting for them. No way. I'm off. My Uber is here and I'm going to eat by myself. Okay, guys, my ladies are here. I do not know.
Where is the sixth floor?
Guys, they're gonna do it. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is taking us all the way up.
At all.
Oh my God, I'm scared. I'm
I
scared.
don't like height at all. That's
Whoa.
will kill you, man.
Whoa. This is beautiful.
I want to go.
This is nice. This is guys, this is the perfect spot. Look at this. We are on top of London. Look at this. Okay. Hi, Doris. Hi, Vanessa. Hi, so this is me. We are here. Show them around a bit, you know. Let them see what they're working on. This is where we are, the modesty.
So this one that you download, you can put it on YouTube.
Cheers!
Don't let me frost it. I should have asked for water. I can't put it. Actually, it's free.
These girls are cold. They are really, really cold. Look at them. People are out, loud.
I go swear you don't want my
It's expensive for
My legs are freezing, so they brought us some blankets. Really? Wow. That's me. Thank you. It's me. Salmon. For me, yes, you can. That's me, darling. Thank you.
It's my pleasure. Would you like anything?
Mayo and ketchup, please. Thank you. Guys, our feet. This is what I went for. Salmon, and I went for fries. And Vanessa went for chicken with mac and cheese. Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Let me enjoy.
Yes, thank you. Vanessa, that light is good. That light is good.
My own one.
Yeah, put it on mine as well. I need to
Hey, people go stop. Let me eat in peace.
not while you have a YouTuber, you don't have a life. Happy birthday! You know when you go to a restaurant and you just want dessert and it's not even your birthday, you claim dessert. That's African life.
Is it ice? It's ice. The lift is there. Hurry up.
Thank you. Look at this. Look at this view.
Oh, I can't.
Woo!
Thank God. This is really bad. Are we here?
Guys, just a quick one. This is my next outing. This is lovely. This is Ivy, Asia. This is where I'm coming next when we are allowed to eat inside. This is so lovely. All right, guys, it's been a lovely evening. We had so much fun. We just couldn't wait to come out. And now that London is starting to open up again, you will see more vlog of myself and my girls. So thank you. Until I come your way another time, please do take care. Goodbye. Mwah.